Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about division of fractions. I think this math is intended for grade 6. So number 1, this is a mixed number, which is 5.5 is divided by 1 over 8. So simplify 5.5, make this one to improper fraction. So this one, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1. So I've got 11 over 2. Then I will write the operation, which is division, and then copy the fraction. Okay, so first fraction, second fraction. So copy the first fraction, then need to change the division operation to multiplication, and then upside down of the second fraction, which is 8 over 1. This is the upside down. We can cross this one by dividing by 2. This is 1. Divide by 2. This is 4. And then start multiplying the numerators. 11 times 4 is 44. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. So therefore, the answer for number 1 is 44. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 9 over 10 is divided by 2, 1 over 5. So take note, this is my dividend and this is my divisor. I think this is not applicable for this because this is small and then it is big fraction. So maybe I will write in here 3 to make it fair. So this will be, simplify this mixed number. So this will be 30 times plus 9 is 39 over 10 is divided by, this is 10 plus 1, 11, 11 over 5. Okay, so copy this fraction, 39 over 10. Change this operation to multiplication. Upside down of 11 over 5 is 5 over 11. So reduce this one by dividing by 5. This is 2. Divide by 5, 1. How about 39? So we cannot divide by 39. So we just multiply the numerators. So 39 times 1 is 39 over 2 times 11 is 22. So take note, this is improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So need to divide this one and transform or convert this one to mixed number. So 39 divide by 22. So how many 22 do I have in 39? It's only 1. So this will be 22. So 9 take away 2 is 7. 3 take away 2 is 1. So I have 1. Then this will be 22. And then the remainder is 17. So check. 22 times 1 is 22. Then 22 plus 17. So this will be 9. 39. So I've got 39 over 22. So number 2 is correct. So I've got 1, 17 over 22. Now the next number 3. 4 and 3/8 is divided by 1/4. So simplify this one. Make this one to improper fraction. This is 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 3, 35 over 8. Then divided by 1 over 4. So copy the first fraction, 35 over 8. Then change the operation to multiplication. Upside down of 1/4. 1/4 is 4 over 1. Then reduce this one by dividing by 4. This is 2. Divide by 4, 1. So multiply 35 by 1. That is 35. Then 2 times 1 is 2. This is improper fraction. Need to divide this one. 35 by 2. In order we come up with mixed number. So how many 2 do I have in 3? Only 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 take away 2. That will be 1. Bring down 5. So how many 2 I have in 15? That will be 7. 7 times 2, 14. Take away 15, take away 14, that will be 1. So therefore, the answer is 17 and then 1 over 2. So to check with, multiply this one. 2 times 17 is 34, plus 1 is 35 over 2. Now let us have your challenge today. So number 4 is yours. 11 over 12 divided by 1 and 1 over 2. That's all.